The best way to make money online in 2020 from anywhere in the world is, without a doubt, Hey champs, it's Mario here. Let me ask you a question. If you had all time and money in the world, would you do what you are doing today? Let me know below in the comments and be brutally honest with you. Because remember, one of the biggest lies we ever make is to ourselves. Steve Jobs, on his last speech at Stanford, said words that I find extremely powerful. Your work is going to fill a large part of your life, and the only way to be truly satisfied is to do what you believe is a great work. And the only way to do a great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking, don't settle, as with all matters of the heart, you will know when you find it. If you watch this video till the end, we will jump into my computer screen and I will show you how you can start making money today. 2 years ago, I asked that question and I realized that I wasn't doing anything that I would do if I had all money and time in the world. And so I had to quit my corporate job because I hated it. And that's when I became a consultant, which changed my life forever. It gave me back my freedom. And same can happen to you, because as a consultant, you can do what you love, because you can consult and help people with stuff that you actually like. And some of you may not know, but because educational system has failed us, and so many of you don't know what you love. So picture yourself, try to remember what you were doing when you were 15. What you wanted to be when you were 15. That's probably the truest version of yourself. Okay? And you can become a consultant in relationship niche. You can help people with marriages, or sex life, whatever you like, or you are into health, you can help people to solve health issues, or if you like make money online niche, and you can be in wealth niche and do digital marketing services, for example. That's how I started. And or become an accountant, whatever you love. That's the most important thing. There also have to be a demand for your services. So you have to pick from 3 evergreen niches, which is wealth, health, relationships. But if you can find something from these 3 niches that you genuinely love, that you are drawn towards, your life will change forever. And when you quit that 9-to-5 job where you are underpaid, where you are not appreciated, trust me, everything will change for you. So let's now jump into my computer so I can show you how you can start literally making money today if you apply those principles that I'm going to show you. So let's go. So let's get right into it. As a consultant, you can easily make $200 a day. You need just 3 clients per month, each paying you $2K. Just 3 clients, all right? And this is consulting blueprint that I wrote. You can download it in the description completely for free. It will help you tremendously. And if you apply these principles, you can literally start making money today. So here you have a quote from me. Consulting is one of the best ways to start in business because you need little to zero money up front. You have very low risk and up to 100% profit margins. All right. So there are 13 steps in this blueprint to take you to consulting champion. And then you have my story, how I got started. You can read that as well. The power of mentors. If you don't have a mentor, you need one. I would be nothing without my mentors. Then the step about two most valuable assets, which is time and health. Don't forget that. And this step is super important. Here you will find 3 rules to pick a winning niche. So here is a simple tree of 3 evergreen niches, which is wealth, health, and relationships. So you have to pick one of those. Then the second rule, you should pick something you are genuinely interested in and curious and passionate about. So this relates to the quote of Steve Jobs. Who would like to put up with the stuff when it gets hard if you don't truly love it? Super important. And then the third rule, choose a sub niche within the sub classification you want to do consulting in, because the market is pretty competitive, and the more specific you can get, the better advantage for you. Okay. So example, let's say health is your evergreen niche, weight loss is the sub classification, and mom's post pregnancy is the sub niche within weight loss. All right. And the only mistake you can do is not pick anything and be stacked. All right, just pick something. You will still learn valuable lessons that will help you along the way, even when you decide to change your niche later on. Here are some examples. You can check it out. Then dark force holding you back. So do you sometimes feel like no matter what you do, there is some dark force holding you back? You would like to make more money, but something is pulling against you. And so who is responsible for all your failures, misfortunes, and things that didn't go your way? I want you to go and take a careful look in the mirror. Then you will find him. It is you. It's not the government, news, your skills, age, sex, language, any of that. It's you. When you decide that you will become the creator of your life rather than its victim, everything will change for you. So in this blueprint, you will find important stuff about mindset as well, like another step, becoming a new person. So download it. It will be tremendous value for you. Getting laser-like focus, just like that. You can see my eyes. The 7th step, hacking the habits, like Warren Buffett said, chains of habit are too light to be felt until they are too heavy to be broken. Habits, change your habits, change your life. The 8th wonder of the world. This is what most people don't understand, not just in business, overall. And there is another powerful quote for Albert Einstein. Compound interest is the 8th wonder of the world. He who understands it earns it. He who doesn't pays it. If you want to be successful entrepreneur, if you want to make that money, you have to understand this. You have to. Then the 9th step, mastering the art of sales. Check it out. Just download it and read it, because sales is everything, whether you like it or not. You have to be capable of selling your ideas, not just in a business, but to your potential partner and all of that. And then the secret of 10x this is the idea by Uncle Grant Cardone, Uncle G. Okay, this is he said, never lower your target, increase your actions. 10x everything in what you do, and you will 10x your life. And here the last steps are about the nasty opponent in consulting business, which is doubt. Doubt is a protective mechanism that we all have, and doubt is the reason why most people quit and never get back up to business. So check it out. It's really important, Then well-planned attack, step by step, what you should do to get your first client. If you apply this, if you simplify it and do just this, what's written in this step, if you can get client literally today, if you do what's written right here. And then the ultimate victory, which is the last step. And that's basically you getting a client, which will change Your mind, not only mindset, it will change everything, because you'll break through the barrier that you can do this, and you will want to do more. I'm telling you. And the ultimate victory is not only getting your first client, but deliver him or her awesome results. Then you will be on fire and you will become unstoppable. So download it in the description. It's completely for free. Like this video and smash subscribe button so I can help you with other things. Upcoming value bombs are coming your way. And check out the other videos that are right here, how you can become a consultant, online consultant, and quit your 9-to-5 job and change your life forever. Okay, so check those videos now.